organize and live with me. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tandoori chicken in microwave. Let's get started. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Kasturi methi 1 tablespoon. Salt 2 tablespoon. Mustard oil 2 tablespoon. Lime juice 2 tablespoon. Red food color 1/4 tablespoon. Curd 200 grams. Butter for basting. Take 1 kg chicken. Remove all the extra fleshes and tissues. Make cut marks all over the chicken with the help of a knife. It will help you marinate the chicken properly. Now using a fork, break all over the flesh of the chicken. Break all over the sides. All cut marks and pricks will help you marinating the chicken properly. Now in a bowl, make a mixture of 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix it well, ensure there is no lumps left behind. Start applying this mixture over the chicken wherever cuts are there. Apply it on all the sides. Set aside for half an hour. Transfer curd in a strainer so that all extra water will come out. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes for second marination. Mix all the masalas in a bowl. Take salt as per taste. Add lime juice. Add ginger garlic paste. Add hung curd. Mix them well. We will use this mixture for second marination. Apply this mixture over the chicken. Spread the mixture evenly. For best results, marinate the mixture in a refrigerator for minimum of 4 hours. Do not keep it more than 24 hours. I'm gonna marinate for 4 hours. Take chicken out of refrigerator before 30 minutes of cooking. Apply mustard oil over the chicken. It will help you holding the marination. Also gives you nice flavor. Place chicken on the grill rack. I'm using my Murphy Riches convection microwave oven. Cook on grill plus convection mode at 200 for 30 minutes. Take out chicken in between. Baste it with the butter. It helps you cooking it properly. Flip the pieces, apply butter on the other side as well. Cook it in the microwave and make sure you keep on repositioning them in between Take it out after 30 minutes and it's ready. Sprinkle some chaat masala powder. Serve it with green chutney. Watch video how to make green chutney at home.